What up, guys? I just came out of the surgery, my first one. I'm feeling pretty good right now. With that being said, this is the best place ever to come and do your head transplant because, you guarantee a good result. You guarantee a better future result. You want to do something that tomorrow you're gonna think about it and say, yes, I made the right choice. Come to Dr. Caveman because he done me good, man. The place is amazing. The people are nice. The staff, everybody is amazing. I feel good right now. I'm feeling so excited, over the edge, man. I'm just gonna go home, have a good sleep, wake up the next morning and feeling like $1 million, because Dr. Caveman, he's a bum.com. He know his job. He know what he's doing. So I'm just telling you guys out there who feeling insecure about your head or something like that, you want to come over to Dr. Caveman, and get a magic, period.